Hello, in this video I'll be unboxing Insta360 Link, the AI-powered 4K webcam. And on the back right here we should get the reference of all items that should be included. So now let's open a box. I already cut it to save you some time. And right here we have the cam. Let's leave that back, or actually yeah, we can't do this, but I'm gonna compare it at the end. So here we have a camera itself. It's protected by foil on both sides and also on the camera itself. There's some box with a QR code, probably to connect or guide you through the app setup. Let's open it. Like this. Inside there's some instructions. There's also the cable, which is, let's check. It's both sides USB-C. There's a plastic wrap to gel to eliminate bad smell. That's okay. Don't eat it though. Here's a sticker or some kind of the badge that you can put somewhere. And I think that one is a adapter, so you can actually charge the, yeah, it's a USB-C adapter to USB normal, and it may help you connect or charge your camera. So that's all contents of this box right here. Let's check if there's something beneath. No. And now we can look on the cover. So we have a camera, we have the cable. We also get the USB-C to USB adapter. This one is a recognition marker, not the sticker or badge. So use it as a recognition marker. It should be included 4 times. Actually, let's check that. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can put it to probably make connecting a bit easier. There's also quick start guide here, and the warranty card right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.